Here I have Google Pixel, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, and then date and time. If you want to set up your date and time manually, you firstly have to disable this automatic date and time feature. Here you can change your date, here you can change your time. You can also change your time zone by disabling automatic time zone feature. Firstly, you have to select your region, and then you can select time zone. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.